Ballet Cymru's pre-professional program is designed to facilitate the transition for young talented dancers who've just finished vocational school to go into professional life. So we provide opportunities for them to train with the company, also classes on their own, and they perform with the company on tour, and they get pieces choreographed for them which they get to perform.
So I've been working with the pre-professional program, teaching them contemporary technique and choreography, and during my time here it's been a pleasure to see them grow, see them develop new creative thinking skills, and see them take hold of their progression as independent artists, I suppose.
I really enjoyed working with the company and the performance The Light Princess. I developed my skills not only in myself but also on stage and how to work professionally.
There's been a number of different choreographers that we worked with this year on the pre-professional course, all with very different styles and stuff, and it's been really nice, and it's been a nice challenge as well to adapt and work in those different styles with the choreographers.
I've really enjoyed working alongside the professional dancers here and getting first-hand experience on what professional life as a dancer is like.